This is my drawing of Wolverine, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. We'll begin today's lesson in the center of a page with the center piece of the nose. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the top left, draw a straight line coming all the way down toward the bottom. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing, coming down toward the same height. Now let's flatten off the bottom. Now going back up to the top, we're going to work our way around the eyes. So starting right here, it's going to curve this down and across toward the left and right side. And then from here, we're going to draw a straight line. Angle this up and then out across the brow. Let's work our way around the outside of the mask, starting back on the left, angle this down and out. Bring this down and then in towards the bottom. Now I'm going to angle this back down and in. I'm just going to curve this up and then in towards the inside of the brow. Let's add a thick trim around the outside. So we're going to start on the inside, angle this down and out, and just follow this line coming down towards the bottom. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath. Starting from the top, let's curve the eyelid going up and then out on both sides. Now I'm going to create an overlap. Stepping in, bend the eye, coming down, in towards the bottom, and pull that up towards the inside. Now let's go back all the way down towards the bottom. I'm just going to angle the nose going up and then out toward the left and right side. Let's angle this up, going up and in. And we'll angle this down to create a bevel towards the bottom of the nose. Now I'm going to connect the inside of the eye to this point with a straight angled line. Directly underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve for the mouth, starting on the left. Bend this down and then up. On the ends, we're just going to curl the mouth, going around and then down. Let's open up the mouth, starting on the left side. Go this down, across, and then let's tuck that up underneath. Now I want to step down and add another shorter curve for the lower lip. From the corners of the mouth, we're going to draw a curve coming around and then in. And then halfway along this curve, we're going to draw a straight angled line coming down. And then fill the bottom corners of the mouth in black. Let's go back to the corners of the nose. We're going to draw the edge of the mask with a straight angle line, going up and then out. Now I'm going to angle this down and in. Pull this down and in to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Let's draw the chin. Starting back on the left, we're going to give it a slight curve coming down and in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. And then we're just going to round out the bottom of the chin, coming down and then across. Now on the outside of the nose, we're going to add a fold, going out and then down on both sides. Now I'm going to switch to my thin black marker and draw the edge of the mustache and beard. Starting from the corner of the nose, bend this out and then down toward the side. And then from here, we're going to bend this up and then out. Let's go to the corners of the mouth. We're going to bend this down, in, and then up underneath the lip. Let's go back to the top corners of the mask and draw a straight angle line coming down and out on the left and right side. And we'll angle this down and then in towards the jaw. Let's go back up to the inside of the brow, draw the edge of the mask. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to angle this up. Start to curve that up towards the top. And then do the exact same thing on the right. And I want to give it a slight bend going up toward the tip. Going out and then up to right about there. Let's go back over toward the left side. We're going to curve this out and then down toward the left side. And I want to bend this down and then in towards this point. Now in between these 2 points, we're going to draw the top of the head. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw a half circle. We're going to go up, go across, and it'll bend that down. Now switching to our thin black marker, let's add some details inside the mask. We're going to start from this point, then this out, and then up. Let's go over towards the outside corner of the eye, angle this up, and then out. And then we're going to bend this out and then up towards the outside. Let's go back to the corner of the nose. We're going to draw a curve and add a seam going up and then out underneath the eyes. And then we're going to add that detail across the head. Start on the left side, angle this up and then out to the left and right side. And we're going to bend this out and then up. And we'll curve this around and then up towards the top of the head. Now on the outside of the mouth, we're going to add a little fold. Just going to curve this around and then in like a bracket. Let's draw the edge of the collar underneath the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this down, come across, and then in towards the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Just going to line this up, going down, and then bend that in. Now we move out at the edge of the collar, going up and then out. Let's go back to the side of the collar. We're going to slope the shoulders, a straight angled line, going down on left and right. Let's step down, draw another line. Now we want to add those straps across the top, starting on the left, bend this down and in towards that line. We're going to step out and draw that one more time. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of the Wolverine. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.